Welcome back to Heated Conversations, episode number ? We film these out of order. We edit them when we have time. So sequentially speaking, this is episode number, who cares? Rob Mahoney.
Where are we even?
We are in, what is this? I don't know a good nickname. The Electric City? No, that's Schenectady. What is Troy's
Collar
nickname?
City?
Collar City. That's
Collar
it.
City, I got it. I don't even live here.
I don't live here either. I should know it though.
Amazing.
I live on a town that borders the Collar City.
You know what? I just assumed because I saw Collar City things on the way in.
It is the Collar City. We're going to go and harass people on the streets of Troy here, ask them about their water heaters.
See what they know about HVAC in general. If they even know how to spell HVAC.
Some of them don't.
You know what we need to get to the bottom of that we're discovering very quickly? Why everyone hates their landlord. Is this just a landlord in general thing, or is this just landlords in Troy?
I think it's a landlord in general thing.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, last time that lady was in Albany.
So quick to sell out the landlords.
Centrotherm presents Heated Conversation. Talking about plumbing, HVAC, and everything in between.
Here with these guys. What do you work with? What's the company you guys work with?
KW.
Say again?
KW.
KW. Who's your boss over there?
Mike G.
Does Mike G know you're having a lunch beer? Go work for Mike G, it sounds like. Do you like hot showers, Kim? Do you know what kind of water heater you have in your house?
I have no idea because I rent.
You rent, okay. So what does HVAC even stand for?
Heating. I know it's heating and cooling because my buddy does it.
Well, ooh, you're close. What do you think it could be?
I don't know.
The C is not cooling, by the way. What's HVAC stand for?
I have no idea.
Oh, come on. Let's think this out, guys.
Do I have the heating part right?
Right.
Heating.
What's in the neighborhood? In the
Vicinity.
heating vicinity. I like this, but no. So heating, ventilation, HVAC.
So air conditioning.
There we go. So you know a little bit about this. Are you a plumber?
No.
Curtis, are you a plumber?
No.
What do you guys do?
I'm the front desk reception at in that building right there.
Do you like the janitor, the mechanical guy who's in there? Does he keep it cool during the summer and hot during the winter?
So it's always cold in there. The way they adjust the temperature is like on a computer system, and there's some errors on that. So it's the landlord that's supposed to fix that. He has not done that yet.
We have on this show we have a very anti-landlord sentiment throughout some of these segments here. So, what's your landlord's name?
I'm not. I don't. His name's Ken.
Yes. No, we're gonna definitely use that. Are you kidding me? Sorry, you have to deal with that. Curtis, do you rent?
Yes.
Do you hate your landlord?
Not really, no.
Nice guy?
Pretty decent.
Would you'd have a beer with him?
If I drank, maybe.
Would you let him babysit your kids?
If I had kids.
So he's all right. Okay, so he's a passable landlord here. Do you know what kind of water heater you have?
I have no idea.
A lot of people don't know what they have, so long as it works. So, what do you think about the trades in general? What was the last time you dealt with a plumber, or an electrician, or an AC tech?
I actually had like a little leak in my central AC unit, but my buddy does HVAC, so he came and fixed it.
You got the friend discount?
I got the 0 discount. I just had to buy him a 12-pack.
12-pack. That's awesome. That's all right. So everybody out there, your prices are too high. 12-pack for all technical repairs. Thank you so much, Kim. Thank you so much, Curtis. You guys take care. Enjoy the rest of your lunch, and go ask your guy what kind of water heater he's got. And you want a high-efficiency tankless unit. You want to make sure it's vented with material that is up to the relevant mechanical standards. That's
What it is.
Awesome. Do you like hot showers?
Yes.
So that means you have a hot water heater in your home?
Possibly.
Possibly. Well, how else would you get hot water if you didn't? Are you going over the kettle or?
Because I'm hot.